I tried Jaxx Liberty Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I downloaded the Jaxx Liberty Wallet, I expected just another crypto storage app. But after 7 days of testing it, the shocking truth is that Jaxx Liberty feels like all-in-one crypto command center, flexible, beginner-friendly, and surprisingly deep. On day 1, setup was quick. No ID verification, no email sign-up, just a simple recovery phrase and instant access. Jaxx supports over 80 cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to smaller tokens like Litecoin and Dogecoin. It's a multi-chain wallet that actually delivers on convenience. By day 2, I explored the portfolio section. The app automatically tracks the value of all your holdings in real time. You can see detailed charts and price history without jumping between different apps. It's surprisingly satisfying to manage everything from one dashboard. Midweek, I tested sending and receiving coins. Transactions were smooth, and fees were clearly shown before confirming. What stood out most was the built-in exchange feature. You can swap crypto directly inside the app using integrated partners, without going through external platforms. By day 5, I tried the desktop version, and this was a pleasant surprise. Jaxx Liberty syncs across devices using a recovery phrase, making it easy to manage your assets on both phone and computer. After 7 days, the shocking truth became clear. Jaxx Liberty isn't the flashiest wallet, but it's one of the most balanced. It's not trying to be a trading platform or an NFT hub. It's a powerful, private, and easy-to-use crypto wallet for everyday users. If you want a single app that keeps things simple, but still gives you control and flexibility, Jaxx Liberty quietly delivers exactly that. Sometimes, the best tools aren't loud, they just work.